You know that feeling, right? You use a health app, you punch in some personal stuff, maybe your lab results or just how you're feeling, and then bam, you start seeing ads for things that are a little too specific. It's this creepy trade-off we've all been forced to make. To get smart insights from AI, we have to give up our privacy. Well, today, we're going to look at a new model that says you don't have to make that trade anymore. And let's just start with this, because this quote from a user named Ivan, man, it really gets to the heart of the matter. This is the exact anxiety so many of us have. You're just trying to do something good for your health, and you wind up feeling like you're the product being sold. So the big question is, how do we fix this? For a long time, the deal has been pretty straightforward. You hand over all your most sensitive health info to a company's servers, and in exchange, their fancy algorithms spit out some insights for you. But you see the problem, right? This creates a massive conflict of interest. Your health data is no longer yours. It's their asset. So this slide breaks it down perfectly. On the left, you've got the old way, the standard model. Your data lives on their turf, on their servers, where they can slice it, dice it, and often sell it. But look at the right. This is a whole different ballgame. Your data never, ever leaves your own device. It's a fundamental shift in who holds the power. And this is the direct result of that old way of thinking. You confide in an app about your cholesterol levels, and whoops, now you're a lead for a drug company. Your personal health journey gets monetized. And that's exactly what fuels that feeling Ivan was talking about, that feeling of being totally controlled. Okay, so enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. There's a new approach emerging, and it's built on one simple, powerful idea. Your phone is a fortress. We're going to use a real-world example, a Bulgarian app called Health360, to see exactly how this works. The secret sauce that makes this all possible is a concept called local first data storage. And honestly, it's pretty much what it sounds like. Your data's first and only home is your own local device, your phone. Nothing gets automatically beamed up to the cloud. It starts with you, and it stays with you. So what are we talking about here? I mean, it's everything. The medications you're taking, your latest blood work, your allergies, your doctor's appointments, even really personal stuff like your daily mood. It all lives right there on your phone. And this is absolutely crucial. It's all encrypted, locked down tight. Now, this might be the most powerful privacy feature of all. The app has literally no idea who you are. It doesn't want your name, it doesn't want your email, it doesn't want your phone number. As far as the app is concerned, you're a ghost. Your data is tied to a device, not a person. Okay, hold on. This is the question that's probably screaming in your head right now, right? If all my data is locked on my phone and the company can't see it, how on earth can their AI give me any smart analysis? It feels like you can't have one without the other. But you can. So let's pop the hood and see how they pulled this off. How do you get the brains of AI without sacrificing 1 ounce of privacy? It's all in how they designed a really clever process for a one-time anonymous conversation. It all happens in 5 simple steps. 1, you ask the AI a question. 2, your phone, not their server, gathers up only the bits of data needed for that one question and puts it in an anonymous package. 3, that package is sent off for a single one-time analysis. 4, the AI sends the answer straight back to your phone. And 5, this is the magic trick. The AI immediately gets amnesia. It permanently deletes the request and the data. Poof, gone. This chart makes it crystal clear. Look at the separation here. Your device is the secure vault, where everything lives permanently. The AI server, on the other hand, is just a temporary workspace. It never stores data. And now look at that bottom row. AI training. It's impossible on your device, and it's an absolute no way on the server. Your data is never, ever used to make the AI smarter. And this is the bedrock promise. This is the guarantee that makes the whole system trustworthy. A zero retention policy. It's not just a nice feature. It is the core rule of the game. The AI doesn't learn from you. It doesn't build a profile on you. Every single question is a completely fresh start. So we've covered the tech, the how, which is really cool. But what about the so what? How does this actually make a difference in someone's life? Well, let's look at a pretty powerful real-life story. So I want you to meet Georgie. He's 65, and he's doing what a lot of folks his age do. He's managing a heart condition. He's using the app to keep track of his medications, including a beta blocker that his doctor prescribed. All that info is logged safely on his phone. Okay, so one day, Georgie hears that magnesium can be great for sleep. He picks some up. I mean, it seems harmless, right? It's just a mineral you can buy anywhere. So, being diligent, he adds the new supplement to his list in the app, having no clue that he might have just set up a dangerous combination. But before he takes it, he does something really smart. He uses the AI assistant and just asks a simple question, basically, hey, anything I should worry about here? Any interactions? It's a simple query that sends an anonymous little package of information, just the beta blocker and the magnesium, off for analysis. And this is what he gets back, almost instantly, a huge warning. The AI immediately connected the dots. It saw that both a beta blocker and magnesium can lower your blood pressure and heart rate, and it warned him that taking them together could amplify that effect, possibly causing him to get dizzy or even faint. So let's just unpack why this is so huge. First, the AI connected dots that most of us, including Georgie, would completely miss. Second, it potentially prevented real physical harm. But look at these last 2 points, because they're key. The AI doesn't play doctor. It doesn't say, stop, don't take that. What it does is empower Georgie. It gives him a super specific, intelligent question to take to his actual doctor. It makes him a smarter partner in his own healthcare. And that really brings us full circle. This is all about flipping the script on our relationship with technology. It's about shifting the balance of power back to where it belongs. I love this quote because it says it all. The goal is to have an app that works for you, not against you. Technology that is your assistant, not a system that's secretly using you as its product. In this world, you are the boss, period. So, I'll leave you with this one question to think about. This technology proves that the choice between smart features and real privacy is a false one. We can have both. So as AI gets woven into every corner of our lives, shouldn't we start demanding this level of control and respect as the absolute bare minimum?